Hey guys, it's Fossilization here, and welcome back to another video. I just want to make a disclaimer really quick. This music is not mine. It is owned by Pink, done by Pink. It's a remix. And without further ado, I would like to get into trading my beta hood. I just said beta hood, didn't I? I meant furry hat. All uncut, because I'm too lazy to edit it. Alright, so I'm going to be trading it to Horse Cray Cray. She is a really nice person, so I am accepting an undertrade for her. You should go check out her channel. She's really nice. And yeah. Okay, so there's going to be a 1-day grace period where we can both trade back if we want to. So we're no trading the items away for a day, just in case. Just making sure, just in case, we might do a 1-day grace period where we'll wait. Okay, let's get onto the trade. You may trade. Alright, you may trade, Horse Cray Cray. Props to you, you're really nice, so I will let you trade again. Bye, Free Hat, you will be missed. You will be missed. This is for a really good trade, so I'm not really worried about it. So, yep. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I might do more videos like this. And just in case we do trade back, I will record that. I'm not sure yet. I just really want to see how it's like to have a beta hood again. Alright, so this is the trade. I'm going to... Oh, wait. Okay. Let's accept. Bye, furry hat. Thank you. Ooh. You forgot art. You forgot art. I hope you're happy with the furry hat. Yeah, she forgot art, so I'm just gonna put bad on trade real quick. On. And thank you so much to her. She's really nice. And oops, did that the wrong way. Where's that color? And here's the art that she forgot. It's really nice. Peeps, yes. Alright, well, thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video. Oops, say bye. Bye, Jamers. I hope you had a great day. I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.